Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a lot to talk about. We have a Dollar General clearance event coming up. We have brand new glitches plus some overage. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, first up, just a quick friendly reminder that the deals are in the details. So please watch the videos all the way through. It helps me, and it helps you, and it helps me help you. So watch the video all the way through. Don't miss out on any of the details, and that way you can get in on these amazing deals. Now, let's go ahead and jump right in. We're going to start off with our Dollar General clearance event information. Yes, you heard me correctly. We do have another Dollar General clearance event coming up right around the corner. I don't know what's going on with DG here lately, but they have definitely gone crazy with all of these clearance events and sales. I mean, they are really throwing it at us. But you're not going to hear me complaining, because during this Dollar General clearance event, we are going to have tons of items that will be an additional 50% off of their already clearanced price. And if you're really lucky, you'll come across a store that is taking an additional 70% off. Now, before we take a look at some of the items that will be included, I do want to remind everybody that I have already uploaded an amazing video going over everything that you need to know about DG clearance events. In this video, I answer all the most frequently asked questions, give you guys tips and tricks, and share with you all of my secrets for success shopping the Dollar General clearance event. So if you are new to shopping a clearance event, or if you have questions, please go and check out that video. I'm going to have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, for this specific Dollar General clearance event, it is going to start this upcoming Friday on October the 20th, and it is going to run through Sunday, October the 22nd. So let's go ahead and take a look at all the categories that will be included in this clearance event. First up, we have our swimming summer toys. So you want to be on the lookout for the pink square on the price tag. Now, this category of items is currently sitting at 50% off at most stores. So during the clearance event, you're going to take an additional 50% off. So that is going to bring you down to 75% off. So amazing deals. This is a huge category of items. And keep in mind that this does exclude the chalk and bubbles. So those will not be included in our clearance markdowns for this category. All right, up next we have our lawn and garden category included in this clearance event. Now this category is currently sitting at 50% off at most Dollar General stores. So again, taking an additional 50% off during the clearance event, that's going to put you at 75% off. And again, this is another huge category of items. So I wanted to remind everybody, don't forget to look outside of your Dollar General stores as well for these items, because I know in my area they will stick the larger lawn and garden items outside. So like the lawn furniture, the little foldable chairs, large flower pots, even the outdoor throw pillows. All right, now moving on into our next category that will be included in this clearance event, we have our spring and summer apparel, shoes, and accessories. So you want to be on the lookout for the yellow dot and green star items. Now I have already put together a visual video for you all, so I will link that for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, up next we have select sun care, also included in this clearance event. So here's a look at all of the items included in this category, along with the picture and the UPC code and the regular price. Now this category of items is currently sitting at 70% off. So during the clearance event, they will be an additional 50% off. Unless of course you find a 70% off store, and in that case it will be an additional 70% off of the already clearanced price. Now while we take a look at the rest of the items in this category, I want to hear from you guys. So please don't forget to leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Are you excited for this clearance event? Do you plan on going and shopping this clearance event? What do you think about all of these sales and clearance events and 5 off 25s and all of these promotions that DG has been throwing at us? Let me know down in the comments. Now next up, we also have select insecticides also included in this clearance event. This category of items is also currently sitting at 70% off. So during the clearance event, there will be an additional 50% off. All right, guys, now for the next three categories that we're going to talk about, I do not have visuals ready for you all just yet, but I am working on it. So please be patient with me, but I wanted to go ahead and let you all know we do have select antibacterial wipes. We also have select hand sanitizers. And then this last one popped up a little question for me. It also says that we have select face mask included, and we just had all of our face masks penny out. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned for more information on those categories. Now, I know that the question that everybody wants to know, will the clearance section and the POG clearance items be included in this clearance event? So my answer to that for now is that I believe this is probably going to be a seasonal clearance event only, and that we won't have the clearance section or the POG items included, unfortunately. Now, that is just me going off of kind of the pattern that has happened over the last several months with our clearance events. And at least as of this morning, I have not seen any Dollar General memos stating anything about the clearance section or the POG clearance being included in this clearance event. However, with that being said, things can change as we have seen over our last couple of clearance events. New information can come in at any time, so y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on those notifications. Now, let's move on into our next topic, which is our Dollar General sales event. So we do have a sale coming up. Buy one, get one 75% off on our Blue Dot and Yellow Star toys. This sale will start on October the 20th and run through October the 26th. But the fun doesn't stop there. We also have a buy one, get one free sale on select home items. This sale will also start on October the 20th and run through October the 26th. This sale will include toss pillows, kitchen towels, dish towels, kitchen organization, dinnerware, floral accessories, and the bath accessories. But unfortunately, it does exclude Red Dot, Brown Dot, Harvest, and Christmas items. All right, now like I said at the beginning of the video, we have a lot to talk about, so let's go ahead and move on into our glitches and overages. So first up, we've got a one-off-one digital coupon on the Johnson's and Destin products. This coupon is glitching and working on the travel size Johnson's shampoo. These are priced at $2, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1. Next up, we have a 150 off one digital coupon for the Tums product. This coupon is glitching and working on the 12-count pack. These are priced at $1.25, so if you are at a new store, that's going to make it completely free. If you are at an old register store, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 25 cents in overage. All right, next up, you may or may not consider this one a glitch. I do. So we just received this new 2 off 6 digital coupon on the Vaseline, Dove, and Suave products. And this coupon is working on the Vaseline Lip Therapy. These are priced at $1.85, so if you pick up 4 after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.40 for 4. Now, this coupon is also working on the Vaseline Lip Therapy Mini Balms, the Cocoa Butter or the Rosy Lips. These are both priced at $2. Pick up a total of 3 after the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 3. And this coupon is also working on the Vaseline Intensive Care Lotion, 2 fluid ounce bottles. These are priced at $2, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 3. And this coupon is also working on the Vaseline Original Jelly, 1.75 ounce, also priced at $2, so pick up 3 and pay $4. And don't forget that you can mix and match if you would like. Now, that is going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy, amazing deals to share with you all. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, notifications, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile in the comment section down below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.